Get into a car with value. 2020 Mazda CX-9. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Make every road trip the best it can be in this sweet driving CX-9. 3 rows of seating, above-class interior materials and design, flexible layout, advanced safety features, and handsome looks are all on board so you can relax and enjoy whatever the road has in store. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, adaptive cruise control, premium sound system, power passenger seat, keyless start, heated mirrors, power liftgate. Take your drive to the fun side in this handsome, athletic CX-9. Come in for a fun and easy road test. Our team will make it the best part of your day.